Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today we are into day 4 and it's been a very good journey. We started this last week of live trading campaign, and mind you the date of this live trading video is 11 February. Okay, so don't get confused. People, all those who are trading along with me in this 60 days campaign, make sure this is the 11th February video. Okay, friends. So the quote for today is: the goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades. Okay, money is secondary. So it is a very big quote, a very nice quote written by Mr. Alexander Elder. He's a very famous author. He's written n number of books, and I follow all of his books. He's one of my favorite author as well. So you can just Google for Alexander Elder and just check out his books. Okay, so he's very clearly told that what we have to do is concentrate on the trades. If you have a strategy, just follow to place the strategy exactly. Just execute the strategy exactly. Money is secondary; it will automatically come. Okay, so this has also been one inspiration for me. You would have observed me not taking too much of trades, not panicking, no much fuzzies. You can always seize my portfolio. There will be hardly one trade or maximum 2 or 3 trade, but usually for this campaign I'm sticking to single strategy, as I told you, because sticking to a single strategy is more important to make money in the stock market. Okay, so friends, so today let us see the live trading video placed on 11th February. And all those who have not yet started my campaign, or all those who are not aware of my campaign, you can just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525 and start the campaign. Okay friends, so let us start with the video. I'll start from the beginning. Okay, the stock we selected was Tatasteel. You can see that it's having very good movement. So this is nothing but basically what we're doing is we're trying to identify the trend. So the Nifty also was giving very good trend, and even Tatasteel, you can see the movement is in very good trend. Ideally 15 minutes candle is sufficient for us to identify a trend, because what happens is if you take 5 minutes the trend keeps changing a lot, and if you take 1 hour, what happens after 1 hour, the movement again, there'll be lots of false breakouts. So 15 minutes is ideal, because we are targeting almost only 0.6%. So for a 0.6% returns, 15 minutes candle is sufficient. And also friends, the best part of this trend analysis method is that we just have to identify the trend at that particular moment. Say for example, you're free at 9:30 in the morning, identify the trend, 15 minutes trend that time, place a trade and forget. If you're free at 10 o'clock, accordingly. If you're free at 11 o'clock, accordingly. If you're free at 12 o'clock, plan accordingly. That is the reason we're taking 15 minutes candle. Okay, so 15 minutes candle will give indicate the trend at that particular moment, and that particular moment you can place a trade and forget. Okay, and also don't go to predict the market. Just play, if you feel that the stock is trending, as I told you, learn the basics of trend analysis. If you find that the stock is trending, you can just buy at the breakouts. Okay, or if you feel that the trend is not there, it is narrowing, or if it is moving in range, then accordingly we can do the vice versa. Okay, so the stock selected was Tatasteel, giving a very good trending movement. So we have to place bracket orders. So the levels are for today 470, and I'm just keeping a buffer of 1 rupee. So let us just calculate what would be the levels. So keeping a 0.06 target will come to 2.82, and also keeping a ratio of 0.04 will come to 1.8. Okay, so 2.82 is not accepted in market, so let us keep 2.8. Okay, so now coming to the calculation of stop loss, it's always loss divided by the stop loss. Sorry, the quantity. Okay, I'll just show you once again how to be placed. Okay, I'll just write off the quantity first. $555. Levels are 470 and 471. So just observe the target and stop losses. Keep 0.4%, and for stop loss it is, for target it is 0.06%. Okay, so which comes to 2.8. So we are keeping the buy orders now. Next, let us keep the sell order. So as you know that we are just keeping a trap for the stock market. We are not predicting the movement of the market. If it goes top, we will buy, and if it comes down, we will sell, and other order we have to just cancel manually. Okay, so 2.8, 1.8, same target and stop loss. and quantity also we'll just change it. It's 555. So you can see that both the orders have been placed. One buy order is showing as trigger pending, and one sell order which is trigger pending, and this is absolutely what you have to do in case if you are working professional, because you can't enter the market all the time, or you can't monitor all the time. So just keep a traps for the stock market, trigger pending orders. So you can see one there's buy order, one there's sell order. So you don't have to keep on predicting which moment the market will move. Whichever market it moves, if it's a trending stock, it will move almost 0.6%, and that is what we are targeting, nothing else. Okay, so in case if a capital is very high, accordingly you can take for 2000 rupees losses, or 5000, 10,000, and divide by the stop loss. But since we are trading only for 1000 rupees losses, I have divided 1000 divided by the stop loss, and that is why I got the quantity as 555. Okay, so then this was the end of the day. So you can see that I observe only end of the day, and we are in a profit of 1554. So everyday profit is not the rule here. Profit is like we execute the same trade every day. That is what is very important. So you can see very clearly the buy average was triggered at 470.46 since we kept a 1 rupee buffer, and also sell average has been taken at 473.26, and nothing much, friends. You can see one single trade, that is enough. The discipline. See what happens, most of them they keep changing strategies, they keep doing, for example, one trade, and then if it gets into loss they again try to take one more revenge trade. So those are called as revenge trades. Then second trade, third trade, then they get frustrated, a lot of capital will get wiped out. Don't need to do all those things. Just follow a single strategy, perfect money management, discipline, nothing else. Yeah. So today also it was easy to get the stock profit. So the challenge does not come here, friends. The challenge comes when you, okay, let me just show you this first. Okay, the stop losses has been cancelled, and triggers targets have been completed. You can see no other open orders, and all the orders has been cancelled automatically, and a profit of 1504 is 54 is done. Okay, so what happens here, friends? These days market is trending. You can see, observe that I started after the after the budget. So after the budget the stock is trending, so that is the reason why we are easily able to get by this 0.6%. But don't get carried away. There will be times of ranging, and this is a period which you have to observe carefully how we stick on to the same strategy, and in case if you are getting losses of 1 or 2 losses also, we will continue the same journey. Yeah, so let us quickly update our regular Excel sheets which we are doing. So you can see day 4, and the profit is 1554. Yeah, so by God's grace we are in continuously 4 profits. You can see 4 days, and the profit is 6110. Okay, so let us take the challenge. Let us wait for the losses to come as well. So that is the period when I think you all need my support, and you all have to observe how we stick on to the same strategy, and there is no other panicking required. Yeah. Okay, so one last but not the least, friends, Upstock. Yeah, the platform which I'm using is Upstock. It's a very good platform for working professionals, because once the trade gets triggered, you'll get notification, same like WhatsApp. So just have to just log in at that time and then look into your screen or cancel the other order. Unlike other platforms where you have to continuously monitor whether a trade is triggered or all those things. And also you can use OC order, nothing but the bracket order, where you keep the target and stop loss all in a single shot. And the benefit of using Upstock along with me is that you'll get 50% discount for my additional services. So if you want to know more about my additional services, or in case if you want to learn this trend analysis course and continue along with me in this campaign, then you can also learn the course. Mind you, trend is your friend, so I always, whichever strategy you're using, identify the trend and trade in the direction of the trend, so that you'll have no losses. Okay, and also use the promo code FEB300, so that you'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage return. Okay, so for opening the bank, the demat account, you need to spend around 100 rupees for each segment. Say for example, you're opening a demat account, you have to pay 100 rupees or change or something. Then if you are opening trading account in MCX, 100 rupees, in equity 100 rupees. So it will be in the range of 300, 400. It depends on how much services you're taking. And in case if you use this promo code, you'll be getting 300 rupees brokerage return as well. So technically saying it's almost free opening the charges, and also it's all online. You can use the link which I provide in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my additional services. Okay friends, any other doubts, any confusion, just WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. So once again, let us continue the journey patiently and in a disciplined manner. Thank you and have a nice day.